Hello everyone, I'm Todd Shriver, K-12 Technology Coach for the North White School Corporation, and I would like to welcome you to the 2020 Virtual Open House. I'm excited to begin my 29th year here at North White, and I'm looking forward to welcoming our students back to school. My role as technology coach has many parts to it, such as assisting teachers with technology in their lessons and being able to use the Google apps for education, such as Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Forms, Google Sheets, Google Drawings, etc. Also, I'm there to provide support for our students in helping them be able to use Google Docs, Google Slides, etc. in creating projects and assignments for their teachers. Also, I work with our teachers and students to provide success in using Google Classroom, which is our LMS, our learning management system that we use to help facilitate discussion not only in the classroom, but also virtually when needed. I also serve as our social media coordinator. I am responsible for maintaining our social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter, as well as our North White website. I'm always looking to promote what is going on within our classrooms and also news that is going on that is very important to get out to our community members of the North White School Corporation. Also, you will hear my voice on School Messenger. I will be delivering those messages to you when needed, as well as inclement weather days as well. So I'd like to welcome everybody back. I know it's been a long time since March since we've been together. We live in a new norm now, but we will make the best of it and continue to move forward. If you ever have any questions, please contact me via email tshriver@nwhite.k12.in.us. We hope everybody has a great year, and thanks for joining us tonight on the Virtual Open House.